Hey everybody. Yeah, April Fools. Haha. I think I got a few of you, but I know everyone else is on to me. But I was trying to figure out what to do for this year's April Fools because it's a little bit different. You can't joke about a lot of stuff with the whole coronavirus thing going on. So last night it was late and I was trying to figure out what to do, and it came to me to do a tiger themed thing. So this morning I made well, I looked online and I found some stock art of a tiger, and had two different ones. Here's a cute little tiger cub, and this other one walking. And then I planned out, because you always have to get the lighting and then the angle right with the photo. So I made a little plan of, okay, here's one with the walking tiger, and then the leash has to be on this angle, and then this is where the camera will be uh, looking from, and then here's Murray over here, and the three of us. And then the other one was with the tiger, and I wanted to have us holding him. So the plan for that one was to have my husband on the ground in the sunroom where the sun was shining, and then have my daughter looking over at the tiger, and then our dog and my son over here. So we took some photos and I picked a few of those. So here was the final. Well, here's where we started out with the one where they're on the ground. So I actually got a boot. I don't know if you can see that, but Tim's holding a lovely boot right there. And Murray was kind of wondering what was going on anyway, so it just worked well. And then basically took the tiger, added it in there, put the hand over, duplicated to make a little bit of a tiger butt there. And we added some shadows just to make it a little more believable. I know I wasn't really fooling anyone. Well, I did fool some people. So that was the final of that one. And then with the other one, this is how it started out. We put a bottle with water in it, and that's what my daughter is walking right there. And then here we have the tiger, which I cut out of the background, masked out. I had to move the chain a little bit to get the right angle there. But then added some shadowing, a little more shadowing, because it was a little bit darker outside. And then brought the saturation down just slightly. And then of course I took off the graphics that was originally on my shirt and added the wonderful Tiger King graphic that was the inspiration for this whole project. So you can see the original shirt right there that you can purchase. I might have to get me one of those. But there you go. That's how I did it. Photoshop. Gotta love it. Yeah, too bad we don't have a real tiger. That would be fun. But they get big and they eat a lot of food. Happy April 1st.